What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Would you like to learn how to create a GIF like this right on your own Galaxy phone for free? First process is going through how to do this with photos, and the second one will actually create a GIF using a video. Let's get started. From your home screen, this is a home screen right here. Let's go to Photos. And then here are my photos or screenshots. And this is a photo of a puppy. We have a series, which is really helpful. So if you have multiple photos of the same thing, that's going to help you create the GIF that you want. Once you do that, on your lower left-hand corner of the screen here, it says Create. Click that. Then I'm going to go ahead and click GIF. And if you click this little thing right here, actually, the little timer, you'll see the speed. So this is going to be, you can play this at speed 4. Okay. Or speed 9. Okay. Now, what are these little arrows on top of the speed thing? This is going to be how it's going to play. It's going to play normally from left to right or from right to left. I can switch that, and I'm going to slow this down so you can see how it changes. So now the puppy's actually going down behind the armrest. Or you can do the back and forth loop, which is down and up. He'll come back down and up. That's how you create a GIF with photos. And then you can hit save on the top. I'll discard this one for now. Now let's go and create a GIF with a video. We'll go to YouTube. Let's find a kitten video, or let's just do something like this. On your Samsung S series phone, you'll see an edge slider, and that's on my right hand side for me. I will highlight it. But now I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to pull out the AI select. I'm basically dragging it to where I want it to be right here. All right, so now that I have the AI select in the right place, I'm going to click right under it. There is 3 dots on the lower right hand corner. Click that. I can create this as set as wallpaper or create a GIF. And I'm going to create the GIF. I'm going to hit play before I hit record. And there we go. You can create up to a 30-second GIF. And I'm going to hit stop. And this is what it looks like. If I wanted to download it, I can go ahead and hit the lower right hand corner, hit download. Let's go to downloads. Here it is. And this is my GIF. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below. Like I said, this is for Galaxy S series phones. I don't know exactly when this option appeared, but it's a fun little option. Other than that, hit your like, subscribe, and the bell option. Have a great day.